Welcome to the installation of the HTC Series from Connector Products. This hotline clamp is a Class AA, full current rated connector that is designed for a permanent or temporary connection on aluminum or copper conductor. This clamp features a stainless steel eye bolt for added strength and corrosion resistance. The large duckbill body aids in installation, and a unique wedge-shaped interface aids in performance during the life of the connector. Be sure you have the approved safety apparatus and tools for the job, including a standard shotgun stick and 9/16 wrench. Verify you have the correct part number. You can find the conductor range both on the packaging and engraved in the body of the clamp. Always clean the conductor to company standards. Connector Products recommends wire brushing the conductor where all connections will be made. We recommend installing the tap conductor first, where it will be easier to work with. Installation can be from either the top or bottom of the tap hole. Notice the small groove located in the tap hole. This allows proper seating of smaller conductors that may be used. Fully insert the tap conductor through the tap hole, extending the tap conductor 1 to 2 inches beyond the other side. Using a 9/16 wrench, tighten the bolt snugly. Connector Products recommends 40 foot-pounds of torque to ensure a tight connection. You will notice yellow corrosion inhibitor grease is factory installed into the tap hole. We recommend a small amount of extra grease if you are using a copper conductor. Using a hot stick, insert the eye bolt onto the hook and set the stick for installation. Place the connector over the main run conductor or stirrup bail where desired and begin tightening the eye bolt. It is sometimes easier to slightly pull the conductor towards you to ensure the conductor seats correctly within the connection. Once tightened to 40 to 50 foot-pounds of torque, remove the hot stick and installation is complete. You will notice the interface has wedged itself behind the conductor. This feature enables the high performance of the connector. It is okay if the conductor is not fully touching on the bottom, so long as the wedge is fully engaged. Remove all coverings and safety gear.